Have you ever gazed up into the night sky and found yourself pondering on the birth of those mysterious celestial bodies we know as asteroids? How did they come to be? What cosmic events led to their creation? Our journey begins, as does all matter in the universe, with the Big Bang, a momentous event that happened roughly 14 billion years ago. It marked the birth of time, space, and matter as we know it. In the immediate aftermath, the universe was an incredibly hot, dense point, nearly infinitely small. As the universe expanded, it cooled down, allowing the formation of subatomic particles and later, simple atoms. Hydrogen and helium, the lightest elements, were the first to form. But our story doesn't end here, it's merely the beginning. Fast forward to about 400 million years after the Big Bang, and you'll find the universe entering an era known as the Cosmic Dark Ages. During this period, gravity pulled matter together into galaxies, which became the homes of the first stars. These stars, through nuclear fusion, created the heavier elements such as carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. And when these stars met their explosive ends, they scattered these elements across the universe. This stardust, enriched with heavier elements, became the building blocks for new stars and planets, and of course, our asteroids. But how exactly did this stardust come together to form asteroids? The answer lies in the birth of our solar system about 4.5 billion years ago. In a region of space dense with stardust, gravity began pulling matter together. As this matter collapsed into a spinning disk, the center accumulated enough to ignite and form the sun. But what about the rest of the matter in the disk? This, my friends, is where asteroids begin their journey. The remaining matter in the disk, now a blend of dust and gas, started to clump together due to gravity. Over time, these clumps grew larger and larger, forming planetesimals, the precursors to planets and asteroids. However, not all planetesimals had the luxury to grow into planets. In the region between Mars and Jupiter, Jupiter's strong gravity prevented these planetesimals from coalescing into a planet. Instead, they remained as smaller bodies, which we now know as the asteroids. So, to summarize, asteroids were born from the remnants of the protoplanetary disk that were unable to form into a planet due to the gravitational influence of Jupiter. They are composed of the same primordial material that formed the Sun and the planets, making them essentially cosmic fossils, holding clues to our solar system's past. Remember, every time you peer into the cosmos, you're not just looking at stars and planets, you're witnessing the aftermath of cosmic events spanning billions of years, from the Big Bang to the formation of galaxies, stars, and ultimately, asteroids. Each asteroid, unique in its composition and trajectory, holds a piece of this grand cosmic narrative. In the grand theatre of the universe, asteroids might seem like insignificant players, but their story is intertwined with the story of the universe itself, from the Big Bang to the present day. And who knows, the next time you look up at the night sky, you might just be gazing at a piece of cosmic history.